How do you purchase a home? What do you need to know? What loan programs are out there? How are you going to be a homeowner in 2023? First thing, before we go into buying a home, we're going to talk about the people that you're going to be dealing with. So when you want to buy a home, you're going to be dealing with two main people. The first person that you're going to be dealing with is going to be a loan officer, which is what I am. A loan officer is going to be the person that is going to qualify you. They're going to get your income documents and they're going to tell you how much you qualify for. So they're going to be telling you how much your down payment is going to be, how much your closing cost is going to be. They're going to tell you what your interest rate is going to be. And the second person that you're going to be dealing with is your real estate agent or your realtor. Your realtor or your real estate agent is going to be the person that is going to be showing you houses. They're going to, if you find a house that you like, they're going to help you put an offer in, and they are going to be helping you with the contracts. And when you want to buy a home, you're going to reach out to, a lot of times, people will 9 times out of 10 reach out to a real estate agent that they know, and they will let the agent know that they want to look for a home, and the agent will give them a recommendation of a loan officer or lender that they work with or that they're comfortable working with. Loan officer is going to calculate your income. They're going to get your bank statements. They're going to get your W-2s. They're going to get your tax returns. They're going to get your pay stubs. They're going to get all those documents, and they're going to tell you, okay, so you are pre-approved for an X amount of dollars. So let's say for this scenario, I'm working with a lady named Susie, and Susie sends me all of her documents. I review her documents, and I determine that Susie is able to get a home for $300,000. So then I'm going to reach out to her real estate agent, and I'm going to let her real estate agent know that Susie is pre-qualified for $300,000. And the real estate agent is going to partner with Susie, and they're going to start showing Susie homes within that $300,000 range. It doesn't have to be $300,000. If Susie's finds something that's lower than that, they'll show her that house, but they know that she is qualified for no more than $300,000. Let's talk about loan options. What loan options do you have? In this video, we're going to go over the main options. I'm not going to go over every option because there's so many loan options out there. First loan option you have is FHA. FHA is a loan. It is a government loan that is for first-time home buyers. So if you are a first-time home buyer, you've never owned a home before, then this loan option is a good option for you. So for this loan, you are able, if you get approved, you can put 3.5% down. Your FICO score, you're going to want to have a minimum FICO score of 580. You have USDA, which is a government loan as well. A USDA loan is a loan that is for people that live in the outskirt areas of their location. So if you live in Bakersfield, some outskirt areas would be Shafter, Taft, Lamont, Arvin, Delano. With the USDA loan, you can get a home for 0% down. So no down payment requirements for that loan. There is a website where you can look up your address to see if you are within that USDA area, and you can see if that is something that you are able to do. You have a VA loan, which is a veteran loan. If you are a veteran or if you are a surviving spouse of a veteran, then this option may be a good loan option for you. This loan does not require a down payment. However, it does require a funding fee. You have FHA, USDA, VA. They're all government loans, and they're all insured by the government. The other loan that you have is a conventional loan. So a conventional loan is a loan for first-time home buyers as well, and it's also for people that are wanting to do second homes. If you want to do like an investment property, a down payment for a conventional loan could be anywhere from 3% to 20%, depending on the purpose of your loan. And to get a conventional loan, you have to have a minimum credit score of a 620. But we're going to go a little bit into the mortgage process. First thing is you apply with the lender. Once you find a home that you like, your agent is going to put an offer in on the property. The offer of the property is going to be what are the stipulations of that offer. If the home is going to be $300,000, are you offering $300,000? Are you going to offer less? Are you going to offer more? How long is it going to take for you to close on the home? When are you expected to get your keys? How much is the deposit going to be? You then, at that time, will get with your agent, and your agent is going to write up the contract and they're going to go over everything with you, and they're going to explain everything to you, and they're going to put the offer in. So I'm sorry, I need to go back. I said contract, I meant offer. We haven't gotten the offer accepted yet. We're gonna sign an offer. The offer is gonna be, what are you offering the seller to get the seller to say, you know what, I'm gonna accept this person's offer above any other person's offer. So once they put the offer in, the listing agent, which is the agent that, there's two types of agents. Even though you have the ability as a real estate agent to be both, there's two different types of agents. You have a listing agent, which is the agent that's selling the house. And then you have a selling agent, the buyer's agent. So the listing agent is going to determine if they're going to accept the offer or not. Let's say they look at the offer and determine if they want to go with your offer or not. So in this case, we're going to say they went with your offer. So if they go with your offer, congratulations. That means that you are going to get that property. As long as everything goes right with the loan, as long as everything goes right with the appraisal and the property, then you're going to get that house.